Hey guys, I'm here with some kind of exciting and different news. So my friend Annette is starting up a company called the Dollar Maxi Pad Club, which I know you're like, great. But when I first got them, I opened up the package and I was like, well, first when I got online, I was like, dang, these are cheap. Like the pads start at, I think $1. Let me see. Yeah, $1 for 20 count of pads. And when I got them, I, of course, I'm a pad expert. Like, I've dealt with a lot of maxi pads in my time, and they're good. They're not the crappy maxi pads of your mom. They're super soft. So anyway, I want to show you what comes in a package. It's kind of an unboxing of maxi pads. I know, get excited. All right, so first up are the tampons. So they have an applicator. So especially if you have teen girls, that might freak them out to not have an applicator. So they're just your basic good old tampon. Just what you've been looking forward to your whole life. Easy to put in your purse. They cover just like the easy ones to put in your purse. And this whole thing, so this would probably be, I don't know, $3 to $5. I haven't bought a tampon in a while. Thank goodness. $3 for these. Shipped to your house. So if you order, I think it's $10 or more, they ship it for free. So this is a sweet deal. Tampons, 3. Okay? And you can order what you want and just get shipped to your house. So if you're at the store like me and I'm like, oh my gosh, there's 12 million varieties. I don't know what to get. You can look at them online, look at the reviews, the whole shebang. So these are the compact and these are the, oh, they're all compact. These are lighter. Super. All right, more. These are normal. So there's all the different tampons, and you can just order which ones you want and of the amount you want online. All right, now we're going to talk about the panty liners, and I opened one of these in advance so I could show it to you. So the panty liners, I think, are just $1 also, but what I really liked about them, sorry guys, I'm trying to look at the prices on different pages. Take a look at this. So it has like a charcoal liner. So that eliminates any odor that you might have in your lady part area. And I really like that. And these are super, super soft. They're nice and sticky. They have a good stick to them because I know some of the times you get them and they're not very sticky. And then why you're like, I didn't need that to be rolling around in my underwear all day. So super handy for the panty liners. This is what I wear the most often of all of the paraphernalia because I have an idea. But I like these guys. So let me check out let me know if you guys have any questions. They also sell the cups. I don't think she sent me one of those because I don't need it. I don't know how much the panty liners are. Cups. I don't know, but I like them. So there you go. All right. So here are the maxi pads, and they also have the same charcoal strip. I can show you how big they are. They of course come in, depending on your flow, like whichever size you need. But they're so soft, and they come in the little casing, easy to throw in your bag or whatever. So I really like these. Again, the thing I like the most about them is how soft they are. They're not going to chafe you. They're made out of bamboo, and then that black strip is made out of charcoal. So they really are very, very soft. And then more panty liners, which, guys, I wish I could figure out how much those are. I'm on the site. Maybe they're out of them for right now. Anyway, Katie, if you're watching, tell me how much the maxi pads are, or the panty liners. All right, and then there are just the regular pads. More of those. So there's heavy, there's regular, and then, whatever you need. And then the most exciting, then they also have, which I thought was really awesome. Oh, they're $1. The panty liners are $1, Katie said. And you get 20 of them. So that's a good deal. I usually pay $3 for probably a similar amount. Katie is so smart. Anyway, I am a big fan of these, but the wipes which I like how small the case is. So there's my hand. They're not very big, easy to throw in your purse. Great for someplace like Disneyland or work. Just super easy to tote around. And this guy's only $1. They are, let me make sure. Pretty sure they're flushable. Let's see. Yeah, they are flushable. But some people don't like to flush them. So whatever you want to do. But thank you. Thank you for liking my shirt, Katie. Anyway, 10 of them for $1. They just easy to pull out, easy to use wipes. So big fan. And then the best part is for just an extra, I think it's $3. I'll look again. $6. You get a little Pamper Me package, and you might not want to do this every month, but you might also. And it comes with a makeup sponge. These are my favorite. Just like your basic, I don't know, what are those called? Blending sponge. It comes with chocolate. She sent me Toblerone. I think it just kind of depends on what's in stock at the time. And, oh, she did send me a cup. So we'll look at that in just a second. And then also a face mask. And these look really good. And it feels really moist. Sometimes you get them and you're like, oh, look, they sent me cardboard in the mask. So, that's kind of fun too. All right, the cup though. I know a lot of people are like, what is a cup? What does it do? Nobody's better to talk to you about it than me, right? So this is a menstrual cup. This is the size small. So that's probably not the size I would wear. This would probably be for somebody who hasn't had a baby. And I guess, I'm not exactly sure how you size, but I think all the instructions are on there. And it says you can safely wear it for 10 to 12 hours. So the big difference between the cup and your tampon is the tampon gets in there and you can get that toxic shock syndrome. So you're not supposed to have those in for too long, whereas the cup, just kind of when it's full, you need to take it out and empty it. So let me show you what it looks like. I know Annette had done a lot of research into which one was best. So it feels just like a basic silicone thing. This goes up into the old vajayjay. And I think most of the time you squeeze it and you get it back up and then let it go. And then just the pressure of your vagina on it keeps it in. It collects your flow. And then when you're ready to empty it, you grab this little dooley whopper, you pull it out. You know, whatever, you can kind of dump it in the toilet and then rinse it out and then stick that baby back up inside. So these are getting to be super popular. I have a lot of friends who really like them. And on the site, they are really not very pricey. They're on the same page as the wipes, and they are $20. So that's a pretty good price compared to what I've seen online. And you can either get the small, and those under 25 who have not given birth, so not me, or you can get the large, those who have given birth or are older than 25. So I'm guessing this would be for your virginal issues, virginal peoples, and the large would be for the less than virginal peoples. So that's my guess. I think that's just the manufacturer recommendations though. So it's called Dollar Maxi Pad Club. If you order at least $10, you get the whole thing shipped for free. So let's say you need like 2 packs of tampons, a couple pads because you like to wear pads at night. The tampons are, let me check to see how much those are. I think they're $3. So 6, 7, 8. Let's say you get a panty liner, 9, and a thing of wipes for 10. So you get all of this, boom, 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 for $10 shipped to your house. And then if you wanted to, you could add on the chocolate with the mask and the Splending Sponge for just $6 for something kind of fun to have at your house, you know, when your monthly comes. But I think that's a great deal. And I get over, they're like, there's too many pads on the pad aisle. I can't figure it out. There's no way I'm going to send my husband to look for what lady part things I need. And I think it's also great if you have a daughter. So, you know, if you have one who's coming up to her period, you know, order her, if she's getting to that age, then you just order this. You kind of keep it on hand. And then when she has it, you're like, yay, look, now you got to wear makeup. And we'll do a mask, we'll have some chocolate. You know, you can make it a big thing. And it's not super expensive because I've looked into those other pad things where they're first getting their period. And that's upwards of $25 to $30, I think. So A blending sponge, in case you don't know, you're gonna put your makeup and then you wet this and then you just daub it all over. And it just like airbrushes your makeup for you. Just in case you didn't know what a blending sponge was like Kate. So, that's Dollar Maxi Pad Club. I'd love to know if you guys have any questions. I'm happy to answer them down below. I think it's a good idea. And I would just encourage you to try it once if pads are something you wear, or if you want to give a cup a try. A cup a try, man. It's a sensitive topic probably for some people, but not for me because I deal with pads all the time at work. So, but if you have questions, I'm happy to answer them. Annette might be around even to answer them. She's the new owner of the Dollar Maxi Pad Club. I think they launched today, so it's super exciting. Check out their video. I'll probably put that in my Facebook profile sometime soon. So I hope everyone's having a good day. Maybe not a day that needs one of these, but if you are having one of these days, you know where you can get your next set. All right, we'll talk to you later. Oh, you know who else this would be good for? I was just thinking of this because like our periods would happen at the dorms, and I swear the grocery store by the dorms was like 7 times more expensive than any other grocery store for menstrual pads because it was all girl dorm. So this would be a great one to send your kids at the dorms. Just have it monthly delivered to them just so that they, that's something they don't have to think about. For $10, that'd be a fun little thing to send to them. So something to think about. All right, Dollar Maxi Pad Club. Ask me questions in the comments, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.